Austin has an orange Lamborghini.
It was supposed to be your car.
I was sitting there watch it being built. This was my baby.
Wow.
Flew to Italy with my brother to see it being made in the Lamborghini factory. Customized everything. I know everything about this car. I ended up not buying it because they were being like kind of a-holes at the Lamborghini factory.
After I heard that, I loved it that much more.
You're so nice, but also so evil. How much is the car, Austin, when you bought it?
$385 to be exact. And it's still the only
because
car out here, that color.
The color.
Yes.
Lambo has never done that. Matte orange. Right. You know, you came over that night and you were like, yo, check out my whip. I'm like, yo, this looks familiar. What's the fastest you've gone in my car?
Since I've already put this out on YouTube, I got pulled over on my birthday going 160 miles an hour.